What if I told you that the next generation of gaming laptops doesn't just match your desktop's raw power? It crushes it in a sleeker, lighter package you can sling over your shoulder? Imagine loading into the latest open world epic or streaming your passion project at 4K quality, never once glancing at a loading spinner, and all while your friends are stuck staring at choppy frame rates on their bulky rigs. Over the next few minutes, you're about to discover 7 RTX 5090 powered machines that promise jaw-dropping performance and AI-enhanced magic, but each comes with a hidden catch that could make or break your choice. Some boast blistering refresh rates that redefine fluidity but sacrifice battery life. Others hide desktop-grade cooling inside a surprisingly thin chassis, only to demand a king's ransom. And lurking behind them all is a rumor that NVIDIA's about to drop a shock and awe upgrade, a mobile 5090 Ti. Stay tuned, because in this battle of Silicon Titans, even a millisecond or a dollar could tip the scales. So you'll want to know every twist before you commit. Mobile RTX 5090 cards deliver up to 30% higher performance than their RTX 4080 counterparts in key titles, thanks to improved power delivery and refined thermal designs. Early whispers suggested these chips might throttle under sustained loads, but partners have already shipped units that sustain peak clocks for minutes on end. That extra headroom translates to smoother gameplay in open-world adventures and faster renders in Premiere Pro, all while keeping temperatures in check. With those gains, let's see who nails the portable powerhouse dream and who falls short. First up is the Razer Blade 16. In your hands, its 16-inch mini LED display flips on demand between ultra-sharp 4K at 60Hz and silky smooth full HD at 240Hz, so you can edit frames in crisp detail, then switch to hyper-responsive mode for shooter duels. Under the hood sits AMD's Ryzen A18HX 370 paired with Copilot Plus to accelerate AI-powered workflows. Think instant background removal in Photoshop or AI-driven video denoising, all at your fingertips. Up to 64GB of DDR5 RAM and PCIe 5.0 SSDs push data 40% faster than last gen, so asset loads are instant. NVIDIA, G-Sync support, and a lightning-fast 0.2 milliseconds response time keep tearing-free gameplay even in the most frantic firefights. The premium chassis feels impossibly thin for its heft, though the top-tier spec can get pricey. Still, if you value portability without compromise, nothing beats the Blade 16's blend of build quality and versatility. If you need even more screen real estate, the MSI Titan A18HX AI steps into the ring. Its 18-inch 4K plus mini LED panel boasts breathtaking brightness and colors, wrapped around Intel's latest high-efficiency core architecture. Here, MSI's built-in AI engine learns your habits, dynamically tuning fan curves, CPU boost clocks, and power limits to keep performance peak without ever overheating or sounding like a jet turbine. That means marathon editing sessions, streaming, and AAA gaming all run whisper quiet, armed with the same RTX 5090 GPU. RTX DLSS 3.5 support pushes frame rates sky high, while hardware-accelerated ray tracing brings reflections and shadows to life. If desktop-level immersion is your calling card and you don't mind carrying an 18-inch behemoth, the Titan A18HX AI is a juggernaut that won't break a sweat. For those who crave bold aesthetics and blistering speed, the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18 delivers. Its 18-inch QHD Plus display flies at 240Hz, driven by a 14th generation Intel Core i9 and RTX 5090 combo. DLSS 3.5 boosts frame rates without sacrificing quality, while hybrid liquid metal cooling tames CPU and GPU temps even when you're breezing through Cyberpunk 2077 at max settings. The ROG Strix's chassis is a statement piece. Angular vents, RGB lit accents, and that trademark scar pattern. But beyond the looks, a finely tuned thermal design keeps clocks pinned, and Asus's Armory Crate software lets you dial in profiles on the fly. Whether you're fragging foes or cutting 8K video, this laptop balances flair with ferocious power. If OLED is your addiction, Gigabyte's Aorus Master 16 answers the call. Its 16-inch OLED panel delivers true blacks and vibrant colors at 240Hz, perfect for both cinematics and lightning-fast gameplay. Intel's new Core Ultra 9275HX drives the show, and Gigabyte Gate, The onboard AI assistant learns usage patterns to optimize system performance automatically. The chassis stays cool under pressure, and the RTX 5090 GPU tears through creative workloads, from DaVinci Resolve color grades to Unreal Engine scenes. A built-in DAC enhances headphone audio, making your games sound as good as they look. If you're after a machine that marries OLED vibrancy, AI smarts, and desktop-class performance in a compact 16-inch form factor, the Aorus Master 16 stands alone. Next, the MSI Raider A18HX brings mechanical keyboard precision and RGB bravado. An 18-inch QHD plus panel at 240Hz, Intel Core i9HX, and RTX 5090 deliver a relentless combo. A true mechanical keyboard gives tactile feedback rarely found on laptops, ideal for both typists and Twitch shooter fanatics. Thunderbolt 4 and full-size ports cover all your peripherals, and front-firing speakers pump clear audio without forcing you into a headset. An RGB light bar stretches across the front edge, broadcasting your gamer credentials. Performance is rock steady thanks to robust cooling and MSI's control center, which lets you tweak every fan curve and voltage rail. For streamers who need both showmanship and substance, the Raider A18HX checks all the boxes. For those who worship dual-mode displays, the Razer Blade 18 is a tour de force. Its 18-inch UHD plus 3840 by 2400 panel shines at 240Hz, then switches to an FHD plus 440Hz low latency mode when milliseconds matter most. A dedicated 10-key pad adds functionality for creators and gamers alike. Inside, the Blade's hand-laid aluminum unibody hides world-class cooling and an impeccably routed PCB for optimal thermals. RTX 5090 performance pairs with up to 64GB DDR5 RAM, ensuring no frame drop goes unnoticed. Battery life remains modest, but when plugged in, the Blade 18 delivers consistent power delivery and whisper quiet fans. If you want the ultimate in adaptive displays and premium build quality, this Razer is unmatched. Rounding out our list is the Acer Predator Helios 18AI. Its 18-inch mini LED display hits 250Hz, and the Intel Core Ultra 9 keeps everything moving with surgical precision. Acer's AI-driven tech offloads background tasks. Think instant background removal in streaming or AI-powered audio cleanup so you stay focused on the game. An included 3-month PC Game Pass subscription sweetens the deal, letting you dive into a library of titles right away. Predator Sense software provides granular control over overclocking and lighting, and the chassis design balances aggressive angles with practical airflow channels. If you want a machine that works smart as well as it plays hard, the Helios 18AI is your secret weapon. All 7 laptops pack RTX 5090 GPUs, but the real differences lie in display tech, AI features, and chassis design. Portability often comes at the cost of thermals, while desktop crushing cooling usually adds bulk. OLED panels dazzle with contrast, but mini LEDs punch higher brightness. AI tuning can automate performance, or you can manually overclock for that last 5% of power. Prices vary accordingly, from the Blade 16 sleek premium to the Titan 18 HXAI's flagship heft. Decide whether you need mobility, raw power, premium materials, or cutting-edge AI assistance, then match that to your playstyle. Choosing your perfect RTX 5090 laptop comes down to priorities. Creators might lean toward the dual-mode Blade 18 or OLED Aorus Master 16, while pro gamers may favor the ROG Strix Scar 18 or MSI Titan 18, HXAI's immersive screens. Streamers wanting flair should eye the Raider A18HX's mechanical keyboard and RGB bar. Budget-conscious builders could consider the Blade 16's balance, while AI-savvy users will love the Predator Helios 18AI's smart offloading. Whatever you pick, know that each machine redefines mobile gaming's upper limits. We've unpacked 7 RTX 5090 contenders, from the ultra-portable Razer Blade 16's dual-mode display to the MSI Titan 18 HXAI's desktop-crushing immersion, from the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18's ray trace spectacle to the Gigabyte Aorus Master 16's cinematic OLED and AI tuning, the MSI Raider A18HX's mechanical precision, the Razer Blade 18's adaptive 440Hz Fury, all the way to the Acer Predator Helios. 18, AI's smart offload genius. Each laptop brings a unique twist, be it supreme battery life, whisper quiet cooling, or world-class display tech. And the right pick hinges on whether you crave portability, raw power, creative chops, or AI-driven convenience. Now it's your turn. Which powerhouse will you stake your next victory on? Drop your choice in the comments below and don't miss out on future deep dives. Hit subscribe, ring that bell, and join our community of gamers and creators leveling up their rigs. The Silicon War rages on, and the rumored RTX 5090 Ti could change everything. So stay tuned, stay ahead, and let's conquer the next frontier together.